In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can tap on any of those themes to apply the perfect one for you. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on and hit apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting and customize it, click on the same icon of a color palette. And this time select this plus icon under my themes. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and select apply. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!